Welcome to How to Solve.
In today's video, I will teach you how to recover missing Snapchat memories. So the first thing you need to do is to head into Snapchat. Once you're here, go to your profile. Now click this setting icon on the right top corner. Scroll down until you will see the Memories option. Now in here, it says that Memories is a personal collection of the snaps and stories you have, backed up by Snapchat. So I am giving you ways not to lose your memories. So the first option you have is to make sure that Smart Backup is turned on. If you don't have a Wi-Fi, then memories can be backed up using mobile data. Another is by saving destinations, which are the save button. So if you want your snaps to be just into your memories, then you have to click this. If you want your snaps to be saved in camera roll only, click this. Now if you want it to be saved in both, click this. Now I think that it is better for you to choose memories and camera roll because it lessens the possibility for you to lose that snap. So if that snap is lost in memories, then pretty sure that it is in your camera roll. Another one is by autosave my story snaps. Now when you post a snap to your story, Snapchat can autosave this to your memories. Now if you want it to autosave to memories, then you just have to click this. Now if you don't want to, then don't autosave. But in this case, if you really want to lessen the probability of you losing that snap, then you should autosave the memories. Now if your memories are really gone, then what are the ways to recover it? Now simply go back to settings, scroll down, and go to support. Under this, you will see I need help. So unlike before, there is an option for memories, but now it's gone. So what can you do is to search the memories. Now there are 49 results in accordance to memories, and your problem would be my Snapchat memories are missing. So Snapchat support will give you the idea on how to fix your problem. This is what we call troubleshooting missing memories. So simply follow the steps. So just to put this lightly, you just have your Snapchat updated and you have to free up the storage in your settings. And then after that, you turn off your device completely and turn it back on. If you still don't see all your memories, then you will be repeating these steps.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.